have been in water filtration, water purification, water desalination with a lot of techniques, with several technologies. But the application which most touched my heart, really, was the one in the humanitarian field. To produce pure water to people who have not approached to clean water, almost at no cost, and with very, very limited resources.
Producing pure water where electricity is simply not available is a huge advantage.
I was approached by Professor Yoram Lass from the Faculty of Medicine at the Tel Aviv University, who told me an interesting story. He told me, look, I have a patent, which I already filed, which provides for the reuse of a medical device, with the artificial kidney, in the field of water treatment. I say, look, it looks very, very strange, but I will be happy to see it. And I understood at that very, very moment that this can make a real change. Now the challenge is to transform an idea into an industrial project. How to do that? By sterilizing them according to a procedure dictated by the FDA. And in 25 years in this business, I never saw a water quality like the one which was produced by those filters. We started to collect dialyzers, use filters actually, from the hospital of Nahariya. Professor Nathan Levine, one of the most known nephrologists in the world, was visiting the hospital.
Batya Crystal, who's the head of nephrology there, introduced us to Mina. And we discussed with him the possibility of having a small device which could be used in small areas where water was polluted and contaminated and could be treated on the spot.
Another man of big importance in this project is Dr. Seth Johnson. Without him, we couldn't have any kind of approach to the field and to learn from the field what are the main instances, the main problems in the application of the water purification device which we are producing.
Dr. Levine had actually approached me to verify whether we could actually work together and actually try to eliminate the preventable causes of what we call acute kidney injury.
And we set up these prototype devices of Mina's invention, added by Omri from Israel, and it was successful. We were immediately able to show that we were getting drinkable water.
As soon as you start to pump the water from the river, you will get clean water to drink, and that was like a miracle for the people. I wouldn't drink from this, but from this I would, yeah. So I want someone to try and operate the pump and see how easy it is. You want to try, mister? Back down. Yeah, easy. Okay, yeah. That's it.
One of the main characteristics of the system is that it is a multi-use one. Once it gets clogged, you can backwash it at site and then reuse it again and again.
The reaction was truly amazing. The people said in their native tongue that this tastes like mineral water from the bottle.
There's a before and there's an after. Before, we There's infection, there is acute kidney failure, there's dehydration. Despite all efforts, and after, we're almost a secure.
Our next step will be to reach a wide range of people, to provide good drinking water, in order that it will provide more water for the people.
I